We are here on this very earth to love and to be loved.
It's Sugar. So here is my trip in Korea. So it's like a little vlog that I made, and when I say vlog, it's like me attempting to vlog because I haven't vlogged in so long, so I'm sorry if I sucked. But yeah, please enjoy Rusty Vlogger Sugar. Okay, so update, it's probably like around 12 p.m. but we are actually in the taxi from the airport and we're heading to Myeongdong so we could go to our hotel, and our hotel is actually the step-in hotel, so it's pretty convenient because it's just inside Myeongdong, like the actual shopping street. Okay, so we have been walking around for so long around Myeongdong trying to look for a place to eat, but we just decided to go to Innisfree Cafe. Basically, Innisfree is like a makeup and skincare store, but this branch actually has a cafe with like a lot of natural organic food, which I'm so excited to try. Okay, so our food has arrived. So my brother and I are gonna share this like barbecue brunch thing. And then I got a blueberry smoothie thing, and then my brother got the souffle. Okay guys, Innisfree has the best food. I know themed cafes like this don't normally have good food, but guys, this is like legit so good. And healthy too, by the way. So our parents went back to the hotel, but we decided to stay around and we ate some gelato, which was actually just in front of our hotel, so that was pretty amazing. Forget about being healthy, we literally just ditched that. We got McDonald's nuggets, so I'm sorry. Good morning, it is day 2 in Korea and we're currently walking to the Gyeongbokgung Palace. Last time we were here, we actually took the train, but we decided to walk to bring down that McDonald's we ate last night. We're now in Insadong. I like to call Insadong the land of good food because last time we've been here, they also served us some pretty good food. So you have the side dishes here, and then this is what I got. It's like a Korean style chicken with vegetables. I don't know. And then it comes with rice. Yeah, we're just waiting for my parents' food and my brother's food. This looks so good. Yummy! We just finished eating and we're looking around, and this store caught my eye. It's called My Poetry. While I was vlogging here, the store played some really loud music and I don't want to risk being copyrighted, so I'm just going to tell you what I was telling you here. Basically, the store is so amazing. They have every accessory you can think of: hats, pins, bracelets, necklaces, sunglasses, everything, and they are so beautiful. Please come here if you're in Insadong, and they're pretty affordable too. And plus their music is like really good if you love K-pop. Got the goods. Okay, we rode a taxi to go here to Hongdae, and I really wanted to go to a lot of these trendy flagship stores. I got this like cake thing and they put this liquid nitrogen, so that was really cool. And then I got a milkshake. So we just got out of the Stylelanda Pool Cafe, and if you're wondering where it is, it's actually in Hongdae, and we actually really had a hard time looking for it. My brother here, who's really good at navigating, finally found it, and it's at the 4th floor actually, so definitely give this a try if you want to take some really cool Instagram photos. And right in front of Stylelanda is the Chew flagship store, which is another trendy clothing store here that I really wanted to go to. Hello. Okay, so we're now in the elevator and we're going to go to the basement where the -5 kilogram jeans are found. They said that they'll make you look like really thin. Not like I need it so badly. But yeah, I'm gonna try it. So this is so cool. Okay, so I think we're supposed to go in here. So we are now at the Ewha Women's University. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but they said that anything near a university is a lot cheaper, so I'm really excited to look around the markets. Made some damage. It's currently 8:34 and we're back in the hotel. I didn't really vlog that much actually because I wasn't really feeling like vlogging. I just like filmed like small clippets with my camera. So yeah, I just rested for like a couple of minutes, probably like an hour actually. I had my cap on because my bangs was kind of just bothering me, so I swept them back and I put my cap. Okay, so I got cut because the elevator already opened, but we're here back in Myeongdong. Well, actually our hotel is just in Myeongdong, but we went down to go shop and just look at some stuff. I don't know what we're gonna look for, but yeah. We said we weren't gonna eat, but we're eating right now. We got this, which is actually the chicken barbecue. That was really, really good. Oh god, this is like heaven. What slippers? There's so much stuff I don't even know. Look, it's like a little chair. This. Oh, it's so expensive. Only looking for an item that I can actually use for a long time. Made some horrible damage. Guys, so I just took a bath and I have my retainers on, so that's why I have like a really bad lisp. Although I had my braces off for like 6 months now, and by this time, even if I have my retainers, I should have my lisp off. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong because I still have a lisp and it's really annoying me. But anyway, I'm in the bed and I'm going to import the photos to the laptop so I can edit in Lightroom. Yeah, I look really horrible, so I'm just gonna go now. It's like 11:36 p.m. and we have to wake up early tomorrow, but that's okay because we're gonna do it for Instagram. My brother took some really good photos of me, so I'm gonna go edit them now.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.